Okay, that was my wife having a bit of cuddle. This is Mr. Natural Banana, and I'm going to show you how you can make an amazing protein shake. These would be the basic ingredients that I would ideally use, and they are all natural. There's no artificial flavoring in it. Let me tilt my camera a bit. Alright, here we go, perfect. Hope you can see it. So, let me take the camera out. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that you need. A cup of milk. If you are not lactose intolerant like me, then you can go for normal cow milk. I go for Alpro or any plant-based, that's fine. This is the cacao powder. Don't use cocoa because cocoa is very refined, so all the health benefits is gone. So try to get an organic cacao, is much better, or you can do your own research. Then handful of nuts, some frozen berries, peanut butter, my protein soy isolate, very good, 30 gram in one serving. Then I got 50 grams of oats and one banana, and any natural peanut butter. Always make sure that the peanut butter you buy have 100% peanuts, no kind of hydrogenated oil or anything else added to it, or sugar. Okay, so that's it. I'll put my camera back to the tripod and I'll show you how it blends, and then we'll together smash it. Okay, so here I go. Everything. Keep on jumping. Hope everything's captured.
And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the
Time to blend. Sometimes you need to. If you need extra water, just add it. Alright, done. That's how it looks. And it's time to chug the whole thing. I got no time. Chug from the bottle directly. Chug from the blender directly. Looks like a giant. Really nutty, creamy. I don't like too thick, so you can keep the consistency depending on your choice. See, mine is a bit runny because I add a lot of water. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe. I'll try to bring more in future. Thank you for joining.